Hello educators, warm welcome from Proctor. So today I'll show you the demonstration of Proctor Admin app. So basically this is the application you can use from your Android phone. From this application you can manage your whole institute. Here you can download the app from the Play Store by searching Proctor Admin. So once you download this app, as you can see on my screen, that there are two options available. So from here you can go and register your mobile number. So once you will registered here, you will get the OTP on your mobile number, and then you can register here your institute. So as I am doing the registration for my institute, after that I have to register here my institute by filling the necessary information such as institute name, my mail ID, institute type, coaching type. Once I'll registered here, I'll get the registration successful notification, as you can see on my screen, that I have filled the necessary information. Then I'm registering. So you can see registration successful. So now you can see on my screen, there is a home page of Proctor Admin. So here are the features as the batch, students, chat, fees, and many more. So the first option, I'll start with the batch. Here I can create my own batch. So from here I am creating the batch name, that is test, right? I can here also select the category. And if I wanted to change the category, so by adding on the plus button, add option, I can choose here, I can create a new batch, I can create a new category and courses from here, and I can save it. Else I can just select the subject, chemistry, and also I can select here the faculty. So I can save here and the next. So now batch has been created successfully. And now you can click on the option. I can see the various type of features here, like overview, schedule, students, online test, recording, and the assignments. So in the overview section, I can see here from this option, I can add my students. So now I, by fulfill the basic information, I can also add here the basic information of the student. So now, as you can see on my screen, I have added the student successfully. So here are the more options, as you can see, like for the live classes. Here we are having for the live classes, you can set up here the Zoom settings. Go to the settings and set up your account for the Zoom. From here, you can add your Zoom classes and you can take your live classes as well. So another option is share your YouTube file. So from here, you can also share your YouTube links, files, videos, assignments, and the meeting links of the classrooms. Also, you can share it from here. Apart from that, the third option also, you can see it here. If you wanted to share some notification to the students, also you can share the notification with the students. You can push the notification to the students. So coming to the next option, that is a schedule. So from the schedule option, here you can schedule your classes, as you can add here your classes, you can select the necessary information, and then you can add here the classes, right? So I have added here my class. Apart from that, if I wanted to take the online test here, also I can take the online test from here. I can create my test, whether it is subjective, objective, MCQs, true, false, and so on. Here I can upload the questions in the bulk with the help of Excel and Word file. So my next option is student. So from here also I can add my student by fulfill the necessary information, and also I can search the name and the contact number of the students. Another option is online test. So here in the online test, you can take the mock test, practice test, and the exam text. And also you can create a test and upload the questions in the bulk. Next option is recording. Also, you can share the recording class with the students. Another option is assignments. So from here, you can add your assignments and give your students homework and assignments to the students. Also, you can mention here your start date and the due dates of the exam of the assignments, and student can submit here. Once you will assign them the assignment, students will get the notification on their student app. So now the second feature we are having here is student. So from this option, you can add here your students, not only the personal information of the student, also you can fill here the parents information, their personal details and their documents as well. Another option we are having here is chat. So in the chat, once you will create a batch here, batch is created in the group. So if you want to share something to everyone, like you can put it here in the group, or else personal chat option is also available. So if students want to chat you and students want to ask you for some doubts, so they can connect with you via personal chat as well. Another option is fees. So here you can easily set up your fees, like whether you can set up the fees type, fee structure and the discounted reason. Also you can assign the fees to the students, and you can update here the fee structure as well. Once you will update here the fees, students will directly download their fee receipt from their student app. So last option is more. In the more option, as you can see, the file manager option. Once you will create here the folder, you can upload here your file. You can upload here your files and you can add it here your folder. Also, you can give here the assignments to the students. From here only, you can add your students. You can add here your assignments. Communicate. Also, if you wanted to share the notification to the students, you can share here the push notification to the students. And else, if you wanted to buy the messages, so also you can purchase here the messages from us. Another option is online test. Also, you can create here the online test from here as well, like practice test, mock test, and online test. And you can see the results of the student as well from here. Website. So from the website, you can make the website changes. If you wanted to make some changes in the website, you can make it here, such as image slider, contact us info, texts, colors, and so on. Also, if you wanted to schedule your live classes, so you can schedule your live classes from here. Store option is also available for your convenience. So this is the whole admin panel that I have shown you. Thanks for watching Proctor Admin.